Hey, what's going on, traders? Thanks for checking out this video. My name is Travis from Master the Market, and this is going to be a very quick video because I just wanted to briefly show you one of these cool features that is in the Thinkorswim platform from TD Ameritrade. I never really hear anybody talking about this, and in my opinion, it can be a very helpful feature that you should try out with your own trading. And what this is actually looking at the inverse charts. So right now you can see we have two charts pulled up. Both of them are for AMD, and both of them are looking at the 1 minute chart. Now on the right side of the screen, what I'm going to do is actually put a minus in before the stock symbol AMD, and that minus is all you need to put in order to find the inverse chart for any stock. So now on the right side of the screen, we have the chart that is the polar opposite or the inverse of the chart on the left. And what this does is kind of lets you see things in a different perspective. So a lot of times without thinking about it, we can get very biased as traders, whether we're biased to the upside or biased to the downside. If I was looking at AMD right now and I was waiting for an opportunity to buy, without even thinking about it, subconsciously a lot of times, because I want to buy AMD and I want the price of AMD to go up, I can start looking at this chart and seeing it exactly the way that I want to in order for that to work out and in order for AMD to go up. Now when you look at the inverse chart, because it's the polar opposite, it kind of takes the bias out of your trading and it lets you see things from a different perspective and kind of gives you the full picture of the chart. So if I was going to again buy AMD right now at about $117 per share, I could look at the inverse chart and I can ask myself, is this a stock that right now I would willing to go short on by short selling in order to profit from it coming down? And if the answer to that is no with the inverse chart, then that means that you simply probably do not want to buy the stock right now on the normal chart. Okay, so just by doing this, there's been multiple times where I would take a glance at the inverse chart. I would see kind of a pattern or some kind of formation that I didn't necessarily see on the normal chart, and I would avoid the trade, which ended up saving me from taking a loss on the trade. Now, I'm sure there are many different ways that you can use these inverse charts, and you can probably get a lot more complex with it, but I just like to use it and take a look at it when I'm feeling biased about a trade, and it can, again, kind of keep me in check and keep me from being too biased about whether I want the stock to go up or down. Okay, so anyway, if you don't already know about this, I do recommend trying it out next time you're doing some technical analysis. It can really help you time some of the entries and exits in your trades. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I know it was very quick and very short compared to most of the videos on my channel, but I hope you found some value in this video. And if you want to learn more about day trading, swing trading, and even long-term investing, as well as the step-by-step strategies that I use to trade stocks full-time, all of that can be found on my website, Master the Market, which is going to be the first link down below in the description. But anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and until next video, good luck with your trading.